How to show single tick in WhatsApp iPhone when the message is sent but not delivered it to the receiver. Here are some steps and conditions that might lead to this. First of all, you have to open up your messenger and go. First of all, you have to open up your WhatsApp messenger and go for the one option here. After that, here you have to just go for the message option here. And a single tip appears here like this when your message has been sent but not delivered it to the recipient phone, which can be due to the recipient phone is turned off or they don't have the internet connection or they are not active on the WhatsApp. Also, you can check WhatsApp is installed on their. Also, if the person doesn't have WhatsApp installed on their phone or has uninstalled it, you may also see a single tick like this. So just go and message that person like this and you will simply see the single tick on the tick here. Also, you can go back and turn off the read receipt, but it won't affect the tick option. Turning off read receipt in your WhatsApp setting won't change the single tick. So you can navigate to the setting and privacy, and here you have to just go for the privacy option, and you have to just go for the read is received option. Just you have to toggle this off here. So if you want to test it by trying a message sending, if you want to test it, try sending a message while your phone is on airplane mode. Just go and open up your airplane mode here and just send the message to that receiver. So a single thing means that the message has been sent but not delivered due to the reason like the recipient being offline, having no network or having uninstalled WhatsApp. So there is no direct way to force a single tick to appear on purpose. It will show naturally based on this condition. So with the help of this video, you will easily know about how to show single tick in WhatsApp. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.